Hi guys, welcome back to Tilly Cooks. Today's video is extra special because I'm featuring my big sister and we are making Koose, also known as Akara. For those who may not know, it's a popular West African snack made from blended beans, some onions and spices. It's very crispy on the outside and very fluffy on the inside, and it's packed with great flavor. It's very nutritious as well. So we started by soaking our black-eyed beans in water for about an hour. Ideally, it's preferable to soak the beans overnight. That way it makes it easy to peel off the skin and you are able to get a very smooth batter as compared to soaking it for about an hour or two. And sometimes it also depends on the kind of beans that you are using to make the Koose or Akara. So we soaked it in water for about an hour, came back and then tried to peel off the skin and wash it from time to time. So you need to continue this process until you are able to completely remove the skin of the beans. I think it's the same process when you're making moi moi for Nigerians. So we did that. We tried our possible best to take off the skin, but we didn't want to remove all the skin as well. So we left some of the skin, but we tried our possible best to take about like 90% of the skin out and washed it off. So as you can see, we just have little speckles of the black-eyed beans in there. From here, after you've thoroughly washed off the skin of the beans, you're going to put it into your blender, add in some onions, and then you add in some scotch bonnet pepper as well. You don't need too much because you do not want it overpowering the beans or becoming too hot. This is more like a snack, so just a little bit of pepper to give it heat, and then some ginger as well. And then we are going to blend this thoroughly, and make sure you blend it very well. So over here we're done blending it. Just for an extra kick and extra fluffiness, we decided to break an extra egg in there, one egg, and then give it a very good whisk. So you need to whisk it well to incorporate some air into the batter, and you are good to go. You add in some salt to taste as well, and then trust me, it's that simple. You've gotten your Koose batter ready or Akara batter ready. So we whisked this till we felt that it was good enough, it was okay to go. Then we proceeded to put some oil on fire and dropped in some onions, just to flavor the oil. And so we just allow this to heat up, and once it heats up, we are going to gently scoop the butter in and allow it to fry until it's golden brown. Guys, if I tell you how good this Koose was, trust me, it was so good. I usually buy Koose or Akara from the roadside, usually when you're going to buy porridge, but this one, I don't know if it was because it was homemade, it just had a good taste to it. So just ensure that you fry it till it's golden brown, and then you're good to go. This recipe is simple, it's delicious, and it's perfect for your breakfast or a snack. Once again, I want to give a shout out to my sister for allowing me to crash her kitchen, and maybe I think I should be doing this more often. And guys, so this is it. This is when we took it out of the oil. Look at this goodness. Just look at this. It's so rich. Look at the fluffiness. Just look how bouncy it is. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty content on Tilly Cooks. I'm glad and excited to have you here. I paired my Koose with Hausa cocoa, and this was homemade as well. Probably I'll share the recipe next time. If you want to see the recipe for the Hausa cocoa, please drop a comment in the comment section, and perhaps, who knows, I might just share that recipe with you. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for supporting my channel. Please don't forget to share, don't forget to like, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. It's bye for now.